Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. So today we're back with another hair tutorial, and of course we'll be working with LUVME hair, showing you guys how I installed this lovely unit. First of all, let's talk about this unit. This is a 22-inch 4x4 breathable lace deep wave closure unit. And when I say this wig is 100% beginner friendly, I mean this is 100% beginner friendly. The unit comes fully customized. It's already plucked, it's already pre-bleached for you, plus the strap is already attached to the unit. It is 100% beginner friendly. So if you want to get this unit, or you want to see how I install this unit, then go ahead and check out the rest of the video. We'll be working with LUVME here. So this is their packaging. I'm just going to show you guys everything that I received in my package today. So along with our wig, we received a goodie bag with a wig cap and a bonnet. So this is the unit we're working with today. This is their 22-inch 4x4 breathable lace closure wig, and this is it. And the unit comes fully customized. The knots are bleached, it's already plucked, and the strap is already attached. This is it. Super soft, super fluffy. This is it. If you want to get this wig, then go ahead and click that link in my description to make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from LUVME here, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the install. So I won't be doing a bald cap method. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig rib band on, and then we install our unit. I'm also going to go ahead and put a wig cap over this. So now that we did that, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some foundation to my lace before we put our wig on. But this is what it's looking like. Just going to go ahead and apply some foundation to my lace, put our wig on. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig on. And again, it already came with the strap attached. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig on. But this is what it's looking like with the foundation. Just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. So right off the bat, I can tell you the wig fits great. It is not moving. It is giving a really nice vibe, especially because the knots are bleached. It's already pre-plucked. Everything was pretty much done to the unit already. You have no work to do when you get this unit. The wig comes fully customized. It's already pre-plucked. It's already pre-bleached. Everything was pretty much done to the unit already. The only thing you need to do is to cut the excess lace off and wear your wig. Pretty much that's it. It is that easy. It is a simple grab and go 5-minute install. Today we're about to do a glueless install. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off, get some curls into the unit, and pretty much that'll be it for today's install. It is super easy, super fast, and definitely beginner friendly. Guys, this is what it's looking like. The unit is a 22-inch 4x4 unit. Guys, go ahead and make your purchase by clicking the link in my description. Just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Before I cut the excess lace off, I'm just gonna go ahead and push the hairline back a little bit, and I will be applying some of my Samnite wax stick to the hairline before we push it back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So I will be keeping it in the center, but I'm just going to go ahead and straighten the part a little bit better. But I definitely will be keeping this unit a center part. I really like how it looks in the center. Yeah, I definitely will be keeping it in the center. So I'm just going to go ahead and straighten the part a little bit better. And then we cut the excess lace off. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off. And what I also noticed about this wig, the bumps on the side they're not there, they're gone, which is even better because now we have no track to cover on this unit. So again, this wig is super easy, super beginner friendly, and I would definitely recommend this to you guys because those bumps, they're a problem, okay, because you got to cover the track. But as you can see, there is no track to cover. You cut the excess lace off and pretty much you're done. This is it. There's no track to cover. It is given. Let's go ahead and cut the excess lace off. I will be cutting it in a zigzag motion just to make the hairline look raggedy and more natural rather than just cutting it in one straight line. We do not want that. So let's go ahead and cut the excess lace off. So because there's no bump to cut off, it is way easier to give a natural look and a natural feel. So let's go ahead and cut that off. You want to cut as close to the hairline as possible. Close to the hairline as possible in a zigzag up down motion. Alright guys, so we just finished cutting the excess lace off and it is given sexy. So it is given a really nice natural look. It is given a really nice natural look. I love what is given off right now. This is it. The hair is super bouncy. It is moving. It is moving. And it is completely glueless. Like, it is completely glueless. It is given and I love it. I'm about to get some curls into this unit and pretty much I'll be using water and my leave-in conditioner. Basically that is it. I won't be doing anything to the hairline itself. I won't be making any baby hair. I'm definitely keeping this super natural because it is given a really nice natural vibes. So we are keeping it natural. So let's go ahead and get some curls into this unit and finish up our wig. Again, the link is down below. Go ahead and click that. This unit is from LUVME Hair. This is their 22-inch 4x4 breathable lace deep wave closure wig, and it is given a really nice vibes. Like anytime you see me move like this, the hair is given, okay? It is given a really nice vibes. So let's go ahead and finish up our wig. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to go ahead and add some of my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. Give it a little bit more silkiness, a little bit more moisture. But this is what it's looking like. It's giving a really nice natural look and I love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some of my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum to this unit, and then that'll be it. Add some foundation around the edges in my part, and that'll be it for today's video. So let's go ahead and finish this look. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. It's giving a really nice natural vibes. This is it, and it's completely glueless. This is it. The unit is super soft. It's giving some really nice curls. I love it. This is it, guys. Again, this unit is from LUVME here. This is your 22-inch 4x4 breathable lace deep wave closure unit, and I love it. Like right off the bat, it fits great. The lace blends great, and I just love how this unit turned out to look super natural, super realistic. This is what it's looking like. It is super soft. This is it. The unit is 100% beginner friendly. Everything was pretty much done to the unit. The unit comes to you fully customized, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. The strap is attached. Everything was pretty much done to the unit already. If you want to get this wig, then go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. This is it. It is super soft. Let me show you guys the back. It is moving, it is bouncy, it is giving. This is the final look. It is giving, it's giving bouncy, it's giving soft, it's giving natural, it's giving glueless. This is it. I want to say thank you to LUVME here for sending us this beautiful unit. I love it. It is super beginner friendly, 100% glueless. If you want to get this wig, then go ahead and click the link in my description to make your purchase. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit. And if you haven't subscribed, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in another video.
I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.